All right, guys, so today I have this great tactical flashlight. This is a powerful flashlight. It can go up to 1,628 feet. 3 colors, good for hunting. So the white color, red color, and green. Green, be able to see the vegetation better, and the red promotes the night vision. I'm going to show you this powerful flashlight tactical, the T28, right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxenT.com. Yes, today we want to bring you this great flashlight. It can last the battery 135 minutes. It comes with rechargeable batteries, and again, it's perfect for tactical or whatever you want to use it, because this is powerful. One thing I will tell you right now is, please do not look at the flashlight, because it will blind you for a few seconds. So this is not to go and play around and just point it to somebody, because it's real powerful flashlight. Later on at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what the flashlight looks like at dark. But let's look some details right now. All right, so the 3 color, and yes, you can zoom this. This is a Brinyte 5-year warranty, but it's good packaging. You will see all these things we get out of this one. We open it right now, and nice instructions. Few of the things we can check here. We're gonna go over a little bit some of those, and just go over it right now. So I'm here. So the output here, the white light is 650 to 350 lumens. The red one is 140 to 55 plus lumens, and the green 130 plus 70 lumens, right? And running time in the white is 135 minutes, on the red 220 minutes, and 270 on the green. How many yards of distance? So the white color, it can go up to 572 yards, red color 277 yards, and the green color 370 yards. All right, and we got the flashlight here, but I'm gonna put it on the side because I show you all the rounds we get here. So this is all the accessories here. Battery, this is the extension, this is so you put in your rifle, USB cable, and ceiling casket there. So we put this on the side, and what we got here. The way to charge the battery, guys, is pretty simple. So this is the battery, comes with an extra one. So what you do is just plug it in right over here. There's a little red light you're gonna see right in the top. By the way, 5,000 milliamps, 3.6 volts. By the way, the alloy they use it, this aviation alloy. So if it drops, technically nothing happens. Now we zoom from here. It feels real nice zooming. Nice, it's soft when you move this around. You can see here right in the top. Now 1 second to change green color, white color, red color. Just switch that and we'll switch colors. Now we can open from the back. Right, and we put the battery there. So this one is because they don't want to make sure the water will not go inside. That's why we have that. So we close this up. Now there are a few ways to use it. So this, we can change the light. All right, and to turn it on, the only thing you need to do is press here for a few seconds, and it comes up. Do you see how powerful this thing is? I can change the brightness of this by moving this up. You see here? So it goes super bright. We can zoom in, and it even blinds me by just looking at this point, or just zoom out. So whatever you want to use. A lot of light over here right now, and you see how powerful this thing is. Red color, zoom in, zoom out. All right, and green color, I know it doesn't look so green. That's because the camera. Just turn it off. Turn it off. Press over here. There's a little light over there. Let you know this is off. Now that's one way to use it. So we can use this in an extension. We're gonna plug this here. So this, if you have this, if you use this in your rifle, right? Open this here, and you go this like that. I'll allow you to use the remote. Okay, that's an extension, so I can have this whatever you need. And this, it has a like a sticker here too, and it's nice because you can remove it if you want, leave it there, and plug it in when you have to. Power button, turn it on. In this case, it starts fast. Okay, so few seconds, you have to press about 2 seconds, 3 seconds when I use this air on, right? If I use this, comes on and off, right? And I can change the brightness, press the minus here, or I press right over here, and it goes all the way up. To change colors, you will have to manually change the colors. All right, so real nice. So we have this. You can use an extension, or depends, right? In my case, I will use it with this. I don't need to use the extensions here. And if you have to hold this somewhere, that's real nice too. So I love it, the design, aviation material. If it rains or anything, it's not gonna happen anything to this. I want to drop into the water, but if it rains, no problem with this. Not problem at all. Real nice flashlight, guys. So on the end of the video, guys, we're gonna go when it gets real dark, and we're gonna be testing the flashlight. All right, guys, to get one of these great tactical flashlight, check the link below. Right, and see you next time.